Good afternoon, people. It is a sunny Saturday afternoon. Let me just work this out a little second. There we go. Sunny Saturday afternoon. As you can hear, I'm a little blocked up. Just getting over having a head cold, but I'm feeling good. I'm on the way to meet up with Jake, aka Broadwater Bandit, and I think we're going to go out on his boat, this Arvo, and chase Trevs. Something different, not on my boat, so it should be fun. I figured I'd take you along with me. I'm pretty sure we're going to go and chase Trevs on top water and then possibly go for a bit of a bream flick as well, but see how we go. I'm just heading up to meet him now, and yeah, let's do this. There's one thing that annoys me more than anything. Fucking jet skis. The wet patch. Let's go. Hey? That's like the third time. Third time lucky. You've been swiped at the boat a couple of times. Oh fuck, sorry.
They love to.
I was gonna say it feels solid. Hopefully.
Sorry, bro. It might be alright, it might be done.
Fucking big head shakes. Or tail. He's leading it. He's solid. He looks solid anyway.
50. You got that net there?
Yeah, bro. Nice Jeep. Yeah, mad.
There you go.
Good shit, bro. Fuck yeah. Oh fuck, nearly fell over. But he piped that too.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I've noticed with the vibes, like they mainly suck it down, eh?
Fuck, if that thing hooked onto mine, it'd be gone. See you later. Hell yeah, dude. That's mad. Good fish. He's absolutely piped that.
Bit of surgery. 47.
Yeah.
48.
Good fish, bro.
Fun.
No. The wind got annoying, so now we're chasing. Oh god, I sound like shit. Tiny.
Yeah,
But this drag sounds sick. Heap of little Trev. Oh no, it's a little tiny little Brimbo. You got a little Trev again.
Yeah. Doubles, lad.
Yoo-hoo. That's sick. I don't think this is originally what ate my fucking lure, but lettable.
Yeah, there's probably just swarms of little G's and crate and
Yeah.
and bream and stuff.
Did you get hit straight away? Again.
Still a serve.
Look at that, I haven't even turned off the camera from the last fish.
I told you we get Trevs, I just didn't say how big they're. Get out and catch their parents soon.
Won't say no to that.
3 in a row.
Go on.
Jinxed it.
Hey?
I jinxed it.
Oh, fuck. That's one flatty. If this is a, I reckon it's a flatty because boat ramp.
Not doing much, eh?
No, just head shakes and that's it.
Network?
I don't know, to be honest. Flatty.
Hold it. I'll let it. So he doesn't.
It's actually not a bad size flatty. He's perfectly pinned in the top of the lip too. You're mad. Cheers, bro.
He'll be pushing 50.
Hell yeah. I might get you to get me a flick of this too, by the way.
Yeah, bro.
Calm down, dog. Relax, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're keen on the paddleboard.
Yeah, fuck that, bro. No way. Get a quick measure. You seen this?
Yeah. Oh, good, eh?
Bro, and the best thing is those fish that are on there are literally fish that I've caught.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh! Calm down, you. Come on, open your mouth, you fucker. Oh, yeah, just... Right. Oh, I just missed my chance. No, no, just stop. Oh my god. Thank you. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, yeah, 47.
Only 5 points in the classic.
Oh, yeah, I'll give you this if that's all right. As soon as he hooked up, I was just like, yeah, flat out off the fucking boat ramp, bro.
Nice flatty, mate.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Are you flicking or?
Yeah, just little plastics.
Very nice.
Give him a turn or something.
Like forward.
Switch it up. Yeah, just
Caught all sorts of fish here, but I haven't caught myself a decent flatty.
a lot of trevally.
Right?
There's a few there.
Yeah, it's all good, bro.
There's a lot of trevally around here.
I've caught heaps of them big guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and GTs as well.
Yeah, I've caught a few of them. That's a good fish, that one.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Happy days. Okay. Oh, that's gonna be the sickest fucking video. You. Jake's on again. Is that another little trap? Is it bream? Brimbo.
Good, yellow, eh?
Yeah. Edible.
Righto. Oh, that's the rip.
He picked that up and just had it sitting in his mouth.
Like that?
Nah, I'll pull him in. Can I go under you? Sorry.
Yep. Double.
Doubles. He's actually a solid fish. Yippee. How good's that?
Not bad at all.
Doubles.
Maybe one more time.
Ow. Can you stop pissing on my foot?
They're bad for that lately, eh?
Oh, man.
Spawning.
He's a good fish.
Full of jigs.
Look at him, bro. Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah, ooh, he's popped his anus out.
Sorry, bro. I pressed it and it didn't turn on, and I got a Trev on toppy. Oh, and there he goes. Letable. I went to lift him up and it just dropped hooks. Yeah, that's it. We'll go with that. Oh, he opened one of my hooks. Like, just. Yep. This car's back on the prawn too. Trev. What are you doing, Jake?
Tangent.
Get out from under the boat, you spastic.
They try to fight a lot bigger than what they are, eh?
Yeah, sick butt. No, I know what you're trying to do. Stop trying to spike me, you bastard. Ah, you fucking bastard. You smelly fucker. Right there in front of you, there's a bus out.
Like that?
Yeah, about there. To the I thought he was way smaller than that.
They fight hard up here, eh?
Yeah, it's sick. Come on, buddy. Later, bro. Well, it wasn't a bream. It was. Well, that was a fun afternoon on the boat. I don't know if you can see me very well. Good variety of species, good fish, good fun. And we didn't fish very far from where the boat ramp was either. So happy days. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Speak to you soon. Look.